Python programming language. Virtual. Learn to create and manage isolated Python environments effectively. Python Virtual allows you to create isolated environments for your projects. This helps avoid conflicts between dependencies and keeps your global Python installation clean. Install Virtual using pip and verify the installation. Familiarize yourself with the basic setup commands to get started with creating virtual environments. Create a virtual environment using a simple command. You can specify the Python version if required and store the environments within your project directory for better organization. Activate your virtual environment with a straightforward command and deactivate it when you're done. This allows you to switch between different environments effortlessly. Manage your project-specific dependencies using a requirements file. Install these dependencies within your virtual environment and export the current environment's packages when needed. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.